Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Wode Rizkati Pratiwi Gafar. My register number is 1821 056. I'm from class B. I will present a thesis proposal with the title is Teacher Strategies in Teaching Reading to Students 8th grade at Madrasah Sanawiyah Negeri 1 Bau-Bau. Chapter 1 Introduction. A. Background. Teaching is the process of teacher in helping students to learn by sharing of knowledge and experience. It also includes any technique that involves the student in learning process for their own learning. The goal of teaching and learning is to make students understand the language even spoken and written. It means the teacher needs to teach the student which are relevant to the student's current situation, and the teacher should find good strategies in teaching in the classroom. Teaching strategies is a teacher plan in teaching and learning process to achieve a purpose which has been planned. The teachers have to apply the strategies which is balance between strategies and also materials. One of factors to be success in teaching is teaching strategies. It means that teacher should have understood well for language skill in order that their student could use the skill to communicate or express their thought, feeling, and opinions in English. B. Research question. How are strategies applied by the teacher in teaching reading to students 8th grade at MTS Negeri 1 Bau-Bau? C. Purpose of the study. To find out the strategies applied by the teacher in teaching reading to students 8th grade at Madrasah Sanawiyah Negeri 1 Bau-Bau. D. Limitation of the study. In this study, the research focus on teachers' strategies in teaching reading comprehension at 8th grade at Madrasah Sanawiyah Negeri 1 Bau-Bau, and the object on the first years in the academic year of the 2021-2022. A. Significance of the study. 1. This study is expected to be input in practicing and learning process, especially for knowing the teacher strategies in teaching reading to student 8th grade at Madrasah Sanawiyah Negeri 1 Bau-Bau, and give additional information and knowledge to the readers, especially to the student and lecturers in English department who want to read this paper. 2. The research of this study can give some suggestion for the teacher in teaching reading to student 8th grade at Madrasah Sanawiyah Negeri 1 Bau-Bau. Chapter 2. Review of literature. A. Theoretical review. Number 1. Definition of reading. According to Lins and Noonan, reading is a fluent process of readers combining information from a text and their own background knowledge to build meaning. Similarly, Richard and Renandia defines reading as the meaningful interpretation of written or written verbal symbols. Number 2, teaching strategies yang terbagi atas A. Lowering inhibition, B. Encouraging risk taking, C. Building student self-confidence, D. Helping student Develop intrinsic motivation. E. Promoting cooperative learning. F. Encouraging students to use right brain processing. G. Promoting ambiguity tolerance. G. Promoting ambiguity tolerance. H. Helping students use their intuition. E. Getting students to make their mistake work from them. J. Getting students to set their own goals. Number 2. Teacher strategies in teaching reading. A. Identifying the purpose in reading. B. Using grab image rules and patterns to aid in bottom-up decoding, especially for the beginning level learners. C. Using efficient silent reading techniques for relatively rapid comprehension for intermediate to advanced levels. D. Skimming the text for the main ideas. A. Scanning the text for specific information. F. Using semantic mapping or clustering. G. Guessing when you are not certain. 4. Teaching English in Madrasah Sanawiyah. A. Intellectual capacity adds abstract operational through around the age of 12. B. Attention spans are lengthening as a result of intellectual maturation, but once again with many diversions present in a teenager's life, those potential attention spans can easily be shortened. C. Varieties of sensory input are still important, but again, increasing capacity of abstraction lessen the essential nature of appealing to all five senses. The factors surrounding ego, self-image, and self-esteem are at their pinnacle. Teens are ultrasensitive to how others perceive their changing physical and emotional self along with their mental capabilities. A. Secondary school students are of course becoming increasingly adult-like in their ability to make those occasional diversion from here and now nature of immediate communicative context to dwell on grammar point or vocabulary item. But as in teaching adults, care must be taken not to insult them with stilted language or to bore them with often offer of overanalysis. B. Previous study. There are several previous research who have discussed about teaching reading comprehension, one of which is the student from Education Faculty and Teacher Training of the State Islamic University Studies Sultan Taha Saifuddin, Jambi, named Muhammad Agung Salmia, by thesis entitled Teachers Strategies in Teaching Reading at 8th Grade Junior High School, Satu Atap, Paseban, Tebo. This research discussed about the teacher strategies in teaching reading comprehension at 8th grade student of Junior High School Satu Atap, Paseban, Tebo. This a qualitative research. The research employing observations and interviews to collect data and data analysis in this research was descriptive analysis. The result of the study showed the teacher used memorizing question and answer relationship and game to enhance student reading comprehension in the classroom and also make friendship by using more than one teaching strategies such as translation and understanding, looking up at dictionary, practicing dialogue and storytelling, and writing simple essay for communication in daily life. The strategies helped the student in taking easier, faster, and more enjoyable ways to master giving the ideas, so they really support the student reading comprehension improvement. Chapter 3, Research Method. A. Research Design. In this study, the research used descriptive qualitative because it describe the teacher strategies in teaching reading at Madrasah Sanawiyah Negeri 1 Babau in the academic year of 2020-2021. The research selected this method because it conveys a broader understanding of the teacher and student view on teachers' strategies in teaching reading. B. Setting description. This research was carried out at 8th grade Madrasah Sanawiyah Negeri 1 and it is located in the street of Dr. Wahidin number 93 C. Lamanga. The reason for conducting this study in teacher strategies in teaching reading comprehension at 8th grade Madrasah Sanawiyah Negeri 1 that the English teacher in Madrasah Sanawiyah Negeri 1 had good knowledge, experience, understanding, style, and interest in teaching reading comprehension at 8th grade at Madrasah Sanawiyah Negeri 1 Bau-Bau. C. Subject of the research. The subject of this study is the English teacher and student of 8th grade. When the teacher used the strategies in teaching reading comprehension at Madrasah Sanawiyah Negeri 1 Bau-Bau in the academic year of 2020-2021, there are two classes of 8th grade at Madrasah Sanawiyah Negeri 1 Bau-Bau such as class A and class B. In this research, the research only takes class because the student always follow the activity, the power of reading, once in a week. Then class B and also the student are good in reading the text and also their score in academic. Some students know how to read and pronounce the word well and they can get the information and answer the question easily. D. Data and source of in this of data. In this research, the research take the data from the teacher strategies through observation, interview, and document. When the teacher as the subject applies the strategies in teaching reading and the student as the object in practicing learning process. The sort of data in this study is teacher as a person who applies the strategies in teaching reading, student interaction and situation process when teacher use the strategies in teaching reading and also student not photos modules. E. Technique of data collection. Number 1, observation. Number 2, interview. And number 3, documentation. F. Technique of data analysis. Number 1, data reduction. Number 2, presentation. And number 3, conclusion. NG, research schedule. Okay, I think enough for my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.